Today we will be making Dhokla in the microwave. I have taken 1 cup of besan. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here I am taking brown sugar. You can take any sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid, green chili paste, ginger paste, take a microwavable safe dish and greasing it with oil. I am adding 1½ teaspoons of salt. To that I am adding just 1 teaspoon of water. Now I'll mix it, pour it in the prepared dish. Keep it in a microwave and set it on high power for 4 minutes. Oil is hot. Add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard, add 2 teaspoons of white sesame, add curry leaves, add just crushed coconut and green coriander or coriander leaves. Just mix it. I like to add a teaspoon of brown sugar to the coconut. Give it a stir. I'm taking 1 cup of water. To that I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. My dhokla is ready. I'll boil this in microwave for 1 minute. I will cut this dhokla desired shapes. To this water, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. I'll mix this well. Mix till the sugar gets dissolved. Pour this water over the dhokla While making dokla, you can add turmeric powder, but I have not added. You can add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now top the seasoning on top of this. Within 10 minutes you can make delicious dokla. Dhokla is ready. See such soft dhoklas.